we are going to discuss about the object distance, image distance and the nature of images formed by concave mirror. Here we have taken concave mirror whose focal length is 20 centimeter. Then I am taking candle which is acting like object and a V stand to mount the concave mirror. So I have taken readings here instead of measuring tape. Already I have taken readings in centimeters it is in. So let's perform the activity. So I am mounting the concave mirror into the V stand. So now we have inserted it. Let's check the activity. First case, I am keeping the candle near the mirror. That means in front of mirror if we are placing, we can see that the image is enlarged there. So between mirror and F, if we place the object, we are getting enlarged images. Next case, I am placing the object on F, that means on focal point, that is exactly at 20 centimeter I placed. Then I am getting the image somewhere at infinity. I can't capture the image on the screen. Somewhere at infinity it will be forming. Then next third case, I am placing the object between F and C. I have placed the object, that is between 20 and 40. In between that I have placed. Now I am getting the image beyond C. That is our center of curvature is 40, right? Beyond C I am going to get the image. So you can see that we are getting the image as enlarged and inverted image we are getting. So this is the third case. So let's see what will happen when we place the object on center of curvature. So exactly at 40 centimeter I am going to place. Then the image should also form at C. So see, on the screen beside itself we are getting the image. So from this it's clear, if we place on C we will get the image on C itself. Now let's check the nature of image. When object is on C, then image is also on C. See, we got same sized image and inverted images we got in this case. Now let's place the object beyond C, that is beyond 40 centimeter I am going to place. So when we place it beyond 40 centimeter, I should get the image between F and C. That means between 20 and between 40 I need to get my image. So our focal length was 20, right? So between 20 and between 40 I am going to get the image. So you could see that it is forming nearly to 25 centimeters. So between F and C I was able to capture the image when the object was beyond C. And the nature is diminished and inverted image is formed in this case. So by this we can easily understand the nature of images and object distance and image distance for concave mirror.